Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Caesar, and on this free video training I'm going to show you how to create a form and put that form on your website. And we're going to use Getresponse, so we're going to click here in menu, and you can see form and surveys. We're going to click here and then create a form. You can see we have four options: the list builder wizard, a list builder apps, plain HTML, and integrations. And we're going to use the list builder wizard for this video, so you can see we have all these options that we can use. And for this video I'm going to choose this one, so I'm going to click here and I'm going to wait for Getresponse to load the template. So join our new weekly newsletter, name and email. So if we click here and then the layout style, we can change the style if we want, the color of the buttons, we can change the layout also. And email. So we have our form. So the next step is we're going to click here in settings and we can name the form. So we're going to put here test. We need to choose a list. I'm going to leave that one. I'm going to turn off the confirm my opt-in. I'm going to leave add to the cycle on day, the stay on the page. So I'm going to click here and save, and then publish. So I can put that form with the JavaScript code, but in my WordPress dashboard I have put a Getresponse plugin. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to click here in dashboard, then in plugins, and you can see I have Getresponse for WordPress. So to put that form, I'm going to go to the website and click here in customize. Then you can see I have already this form here. So I'm going to click here in widgets, sidebar, and I have here the Getresponse plugin. So I'm going to add, browse all, let me find. I can also use the custom HTML if you want. Getresponse web form widget. Getresponse form. Title, let me see. I'm going to remove the block, browse all, Getresponse. This one is Getresponse form. So I can choose test, and as you can see I have the form here. So we need to work on this form to make it more cooler. So we're going to click here forms and surveys. I'm going to click here in edit form. So I'm going to unlock this, and I'm going to make this more thinner. Let me see the website. Okay, then publish. And then I'm going to go to my website and I'm going to publish this one. And I'm going to update the website so you can see. Refresh. And I have the form here. I'm going to click here and back to form creator because I want that form to be more thinner, so I'm going to unlock this. Also, I'm going to move this a little bit. And this is important, guys, because this form will help you to give you more leads. So let me see, I'm going to publish. And then I'm going to refresh this. And you can see I have the form here. So this is how you can put a form in your website using the Getresponse plugin and the widget. So this is very important to collect leads. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.